Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How to download Play Store in PC. So let's get started. Step 1. Go to Google and search bar Play Store install. Step 2. You can see first website, click on it. You can see Play Store. 3 dots, click on it top right corner. Step 3. You can see button cast, save and share, click on it. Go to install page as app. Step 4. Install, click on it. Go to window. You can see Play Store successfully install. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.